Do you feel headache when you're running out of idea what to cook next? Hi, my name is Ty. Some people call me Excel Sifu. I help working professional and business owner to speed up their data analysis from 5 days to 5 minutes. During movement control, many people are cooking various dishes for themselves and family. At a certain point of time, they are just running out of idea what to cook next. And here in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps that you could learn Excel to decide what to cook in a fun way. Step 1. The menu. In the column A, list down all the dishes that you could cook and make sure there are no blanks in between them. Step 2. The formula. Copy the formula from the video description and paste it in the cell C1 and press enter. Step 3. Have fun! Go to formula ribbon and go to the far right side. You will see there's an icon looks like calculator and it says calculate now. If you continuously pressing that button, Excel will give you a new suggested list. Alternatively, you could hold the function key F9 and have someone else to shout stop. It will look something like this. Stop. And this will be your next meal. These are the 3 simple steps to make Excel to decide what is your next meal. Step 1. The menu. Step 2. The formula. Step 3. Have fun. When your family questioning about your choice, you could just answer, it's decided by Excel. If you are having fun with this video, please like and share this video to your friends and colleagues so that they could have fun too. Till then, signing off. Bye. Stay home and stay safe.